I love using tracing paper because it has a translucent quality to it. And when you go ahead and put it over your journal pages, you can see through what's behind it. All you need is tracing paper. Any tracing paper will do. A printout of what you want to say. This was done on my laser printer, but you can use inkjet. And then a cutout piece of tracing paper that you're going to tape on to your printout. Now you can use a masking tape or scotch tape. Both actually went through my printer with no problem because what we're going to be doing is sending this back through the printer so it actually prints on to the tracing paper. And then carefully remove the tape, as you can see here. Then our next step is to size it. So just mark it and size it and cut it to fit your journal page. Simple as that. Now you can see I'm using an X-Acto knife. You can use scissors or whatever way you like to cut it. The first thing I do is use a matte medium, and I go ahead and brush it onto the page, and then carefully I adhere the tracing paper. And you can do this slowly and do it in phases, as you can see how I'm doing it here. I've also used a gel medium as well as liquid medium, and both have worked. You just kind of have to experiment and realize that the tracing paper is not going to be smooth. You're going to have ridges and it's going to be crinkly, but that's the beauty of it. Then I put a piece of wax paper on top and a book, a heavy book. That's one of my favorites, the Magical Creatures book, to weigh it down. Once it's dry, then all you do is you trim it and you have a really cool page for your journal. You could also use stamps like I did here, or you don't have to paste down the tracing paper, but you can have it just on top and explore and just have fun.